Alright, so we're going to show you how to build they call it a manifold. Basically what that is a group of valves together. That's what they call it, a manifold. So I'm going to show you how to build it outside of the area that we're going to actually put it in. So basically, so we'll start off with this. Probably should get a little so we'll put the Teflon tape on this. And okay. And we'll do one side because we're going to cut the bottom part out and glue that part in to the couplers, the other fittings. We'll just do this side first, do this side only on all the pipes. You know what? I'm going to put a filter on that one of these guys, so I need to have all four of these risers. So hand tight it first like this, and then you come back with a channel lock. Do this one. I'm going to do this. So I'm doing this on the valve side here, and I'm going to put the filter on this side. Tight there. I don't think I need to use much. Okay. This. All right, so I pretty much know how much, I know how high I want the valves to be, how much I need in total for the valves. It's gonna be like 2 feet, so I'm gonna cut off right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this guy right there. Okay. You just want a flat surface because then you can have, you know, you can set your valve like this, flat. Everything's flat. Everything comes. So when you go back to your spot, it's all even. Okay. It's all straight like this. It's all in there. And then this way like this. What we'll do is I'm going to actually you guys want to cut this out first. So just clean it out. Let's go for that. We'll go for some primer on this one. Okay. Hold for a second there. All right, okay, there. And what I'm doing is I'm using the wood as a guide, okay? So I'm making this flat here, like this is, and then pushing it in so it's all even right here. You see what I'm saying? It's all even because it's all flushed with a flat board here, okay? And I'll go ahead and prime this now. Keep in mind the glue, it's pretty quick, so you know, try to make these adjustments and you know as fast as you can. You don't have to cut out, but I mean you have enough time to get it in there. You know, it's enough time. Maybe what you want to do is you want to first practice on how, you know, kind of mock it first, and then attempt it this first time. But you know, this is what you want to have. You want to have flat area. I mean, you can do it on concrete, but I don't want to mess. You know, I don't want to stain up the concrete. So I'm just using these boards right here. But just have a flat surface, and just kind of test it out first before you put the glue down. Okay, so I'm gonna glue it now. And I always glue the couplers first, you know, because
This way I can handle this, because if I glue this and put it on here, it's going to get, the glue's going to kind of wipe off a bit. So I'm doing this here, like that. Okay. Go ahead and put this in there like this. Okay, again, I'm watching where I'm looking at it, I'm pushing it in, it's getting straight right here. Now it's all good. Okay, I'm just going to let it sit now for a few minutes. What I'm doing here is I'm gonna put this pipe on there, on here, to make the water connection. Alright, and let dry for a second. I'm always doing this, just a little tip here, always close the lids on the primer and the glue, because what happens is you get busy and all of a sudden you knock it down, especially this primer guy right here. And you lose a lot of material, so it's always best to try to close it up when you're done with, whatever you're doing. It's worth the time to do that.
All right, I'm going to cut it off, make this ready, 21.5. 22.5, excuse me. Total weight that I need right here. There's a measurement right there, right there.
All right, so we're back over here again with got the main water line in here. So we're gonna stick that manifold in there. This guy over here.
Put the glue on there.
One thing about the PVC here, even if it's just a little off, once it's dry with PVC, you have a little play. So you can always pull it back, the dirt, and you're all good. Alright, so we just turned on the valve here, and you don't see any leaks. Everything looks good. This is all good. That's all good there. We did some valves in the back, so we'll go check that out, because that's all tied in together. All right, that looks all good. Yeah, looks good. No leaks. All right. We're done for the day. Let's see. I think I've gone over this in the other videos, but right here is this is the pressure regulator, and what we've dialed it all the way, and it was out more, so that meant it was like less pressure, and then we brought this back inside. Basically, what it does is it opens up the diaphragm more, so it's all the way cranked up. It's about 75 pounds. These range from 25 to 75. So the reason why we did that because the pressure was low, and kind of give you, I'm going to show you right now on that real quick. All right, so here's the right now their sprinklers that they have. We're going to work on them because they're not positioned right. We got to reposition some of them, but I've already gone in there and I've kind of pushed down the sprinkler, see how it is. I went over on my other videos where you can kind of, if it's got too much give on the sprinkler when you push it down with your foot or your hand, whatever, then it's there's not that much pressure. But this is good. This is good news here for us, because sometimes people come in and they build a system, they put half-inch line, that's less volume. Right here we got all the way from the main
all the way to the back valves into the system. We can tell by the pipes that we saw, the lateral pipes, that it's 3/4 inch coming right directly from the main. So it's all good, and you can see right now like how much out there, how much that pressure, the sprinklers are going off, and it's going good. And we're gonna, you know, that just tells me right now like I can add to it if I need to get some more, which I probably will, get some more sprinklers on there and on the system. So we're all good here. Tomorrow we're gonna come back and start rearranging, and we gotta do the front. Anyway, we're out today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.